In this video, we will show you how to open Disk Management tool on Windows 10 and 11. Let's begin. The Disk Management utility built into Windows allows you to manage drive partitions, change drive letters, format drives, and perform other storage-related tasks on your PC. Let's see how to access the tool inside Windows. One of the most straightforward ways to access the Disk Management utility on Windows would be to use the Power User menu. You can press Windows and X keyboard shortcut to open the Power User. Then click on the Disk Management option to launch it. As an alternative, you may use the Computer Management utility. Here's how you can open Disk Management using the Computer Management utility on your Windows PC. Press the Windows and S keys to access Windows Search and type Computer Management. Then, from the result that appears, click on Open. When a Computer Management window opens, click on the Disk Management option listed under the Storage section in the left sidebar. The Disk Management utility window will open with a list of partitions and removable drives on your computer. That's it. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos handpicked just for you.